No. They get the council. This was supposed to go to that yes, that's supposed to go there, but they just terminated there at 2.5 kilometers.
Mr. Governor, sir, we appreciate all of your efforts for making this elephant project of over 20 years to look like an ant project. We appreciate you, sir. Thank you. We are asking just for one more thing. Ngo Internal Road, sir, and Ngo Road. If you can do this for us, you have surveyed our people who are at the coastal area, who catches fish in millions of naira, but yet to get spoiled in their hands. Mr. Governor, we know you can do this. You have the heart to break boundaries. Please, sir, break boundaries for us. Ngo people need you. Yes. Thank you, Governor, sir. Thank you.
What we're seeing today, after a decision some months back, is really commendable. I have to say that the contractor has done a very good job, although we did observe that about 1 kilometer that would lead to the council secretariat was somehow not captured in the scope, and I think it will be proper we do that alongside. But in all, I'm really impressed. You know, what is important, and I keep saying to everyone, what are we bequeathing to our people? Their interests is the most important thing. And governance is about protection of life and property. This lives and property includes providing quality services. And one of those things are like this road. You can see that when we came for campaign, if you did remember, it was horrible. But today we could drive as if we're in Dubai, in Andoni. So we'll continue to do our best for our people, not minding the challenges we're facing. The most important thing is we have taken our oath to defend our people, protect their interests, and we're not going back on that. Posterity has just blessed me with this project, something that they couldn't achieve for over 20-something years, that within the space of 6 months, I've been able to sort it out. What else are you looking for? It's a credit and a big one to our administration.